Welcome back to our channel, Learn to Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie, and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do the pancaked pull-through ponytail. So let's get started.
Anything I use in this tutorial, I'll leave a link in the description box below. Okay, so to save time, if you want to go ahead and bring all this hair up and gather it right here at the top and put an elastic band, you can. But I'm going to go ahead and do an overlapping layered effect. On the top, I'm going to split this from right here, back, right to the top crown area. Okay, and then I'm just going to go and put this forward, clip it off to the side, and I'm going to take right here and on the other side, right here. Okay, I'm going to grab each side right here, like this. It's going to look like this because I'm going to leave just this much out. Okay, I'm going to go and smooth this out. And I'm going to secure this right here into an elastic band. Okay. Okay, so you want it to look like this, nice and smooth. You're going to bring the top back. I'm going to smooth this top out. So I'm going to secure it off with an elastic band. So I'm going to take this one and secure it together. See how it has that overlapping layered effect right here? It goes in and then this goes over. Okay, so the next step is to take a small section right here on the crown area. Take a small section right here. Okay, you want about this much, and you're going to grab this ponytail right here and secure it off into an elastic band. This part right here, you're going to split this in the middle, put your 2 fingers in there, and grab this tail right through with those 2 fingers. Okay, so now you're just going to go ahead and pancake this out right here. And pancake this out. Very slowly, just pull them out. And you can pull it out as wide as you like. This is all you're going to do. Just pancake them out. And there you have your first pull through. You're going to do the same thing. You're just going to pick up a section right on the side, right here. Go ahead and grab just a small section right here, just like this. And you're going to take this ponytail, and you're just picking it up and putting it together like this, okay? Now you're going to take this and bring it down just a little bit, about 3 or 4 fingers length. You're going to pick this up, you're going to make a hole right in here in the middle. And put your 2 fingers in there and grab this tail and bring it right through. Okay, and you're just going to do the same thing you did up here by tugging and pulling and making that bubble effect. And there you have your second one. You can make as many as you want. I'm going to just go down to the end. This is all repeated the same exact way we did the first one. And I'm just going to go ahead and go a little faster for time purposes only. can go ahead and take these elastic bands and hide it with her hair using a topsy tail, but I'm just going to go and put little accessories in them just to cover those elastic bands. Put a little hairspray. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found value in it. Now, if there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comments below.
We love feedback, so let us know our success and find our videos and parts you might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bar right next to the subscribe button.
Help support our channel by clicking the links in the descriptions. Now this helps us to create more videos for you.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up
And click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
to watch more of us. Go over there. We love you guys. Till next time.
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye! God bless and have a great week.